Hey, what's up everyone? This is CryptoBox with another video. We create videos about blockchain games, NFTs, and more, so consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss big opportunities. So, in today's video, we have a pretty big update from Bombcrypto themselves. If we actually go over to their Twitter, they have a big update on, and you'll see here that they have a new song and everything. They're still, popular top D apps in the last 24 hours on Binance Smart Chain, and they had their marketplace out, so I've covered a video on that. And then we have also their adventure mode that has also recently came out, but it's now been a few days since it has came out. If you check right here, you can see adventure mode, more things about the adventure mode first look, and etc. So what is adventure mode? Basically, adventure mode is, if we connect real quick here, adventure mode is basically like collecting keys by playing treasure hunt mode. So if you don't know what treasure hunt mode is, basically if we go over here, click all, this is treasure hunt mode. So there are chests and like blocks around. Blocks are, one hittable, and then you have the chest. The chest gives you bcoin. So most of these chests here will give you bcoin, but some of these chests are a little rare, and they will gain you a key. And now what can you do with a key? The key, this right here at the top left, will show is one key equals you being able to play one. It's like one ticket to playing adventure mode. Now there's different levels to adventure mode, as you can see, from level 1, and you can just keep going all the way up to level 7 or 8. And then there's sub levels in the levels, and then there's like level 1, level 1, sub level 2, and then it keeps going on until 5, and then next one is the next level. And the higher you go, the more you get paid. So by getting higher, you have to win. And how can you win? Basically, well, this is gonna be my first time of actually playing this, but I am familiar with seeing some clips on how it works. Basically, it's best to have a super rare or play with a super rare, because this game mode would work with a super rare better, and with some of these like move through blocks and move through walls and all those. So you want to have a super rare. I'm using a rare, but on my other account I'll be using my super rare. Unfortunately, I have 4 keys on the wrong account, but that's alright. At least we get to play here. So I'm just gonna click choose, and as you can see, this is the reward at the bottom, 0.98 bcoin tokens. And basically you'll be using WASD or arrow keys. It's like the arrow key format, but you cannot use arrow keys. WASD and spacebar to drop a bomb. Now watch out, you can actually die by your own bomb. And here, so see, the faster your stats, like your character speed and everything, obviously the faster you can move. But basically you want to eliminate these guys and not, die yourself. So like just like that, and you hopefully want to kill that guy. As you can see, I basically missed there, but there's 2 of these guys in here, and they cannot go through blocks, but you can if you have the ability like I do. And you just want to go kill them like that. So that got one of them out, and I'm just gonna go around and try to kill these guys. And they can hit you, but that will not instantly kill you or anything. That's just gonna take off more of your HP, and there's no like HP regeneration or anything. And I missed him by a millisecond. We can move on to the other guys over here, like this one right here. We'll just place that there, see if we can get them in the right time. There you go, we got one guy. There's this guy now over here. I'm just gonna place that bomb. There's one guy right here, and you just want to bomb them. So there you go. Now he will die because he has no escape. These guys, they can't go through blocks, but you can if you have the ability to. Try to kill that guy. There you go. And then we have the last guy. Now what happens after you kill the last guy, you might think, is you will get into the next map. Now, how to get into the next map necessarily, because you will see a flashing blob or block here, like this one right here. So what you want to do is go over to it and bomb it, and that will get you to exit. And once you do that, you get your 0.98 bcoins or whatever As you can see, my reward is 0.98, and that's it. Now I'm at the next level. Now you cannot use the same hero again unless it's the next 24 hours. And if you don't have anything like you have an account like this that basically doesn't have anything else that can substitute, then I would suggest just waiting till the next day and playing. Let's switch to our other account here. If we go over to my second account and connect the wallet real quick, I have a super rare on here. Now it is not that much though if you think of it, because one super rare is definitely not gonna get you like where you want to be. I have 2 keys on here, so I also have a super rare and a few rares, and I'm just gonna choose my super rare for or I'll choose my rare because the levels get harder the more you play. So I'll be choosing my more worse hero, and then we just want to click start. You can see 0.92 rewards. This fluctuates. I'm not sure how does it, but as you can see, the speed difference is already noticeable because this is a better rare, but I can't go through blocks. So you want to play more smart and try not to die by your own bombs, because that your own bombs can kill you, and you wouldn't, you know, want that. And that should kill one guy. That should kill another guy. I can place another bomb over here. Place a bomb here. And try not to die yourself. Kill this guy, so he's trapped now. He can't go through your bomb. And so if you don't have the stat also to go through your own bomb, then basically you can get trapped by your own bomb. And that is hellish if you do, because you don't want to die by your own bomb or anything like that. Now I just have to get towards the other guys on the other side of the map. So I'm gonna have to just, you know, make my way through it, unfortunately. Because I do not have that stat where I can, you know, go through blocks and stuff. So I'm gonna make one entrance for them, or one exit. Just place a bomb right there. In the meantime, I guess we can bomb ourselves to the other people over there. Just place a bomb right there. They should both die here. If they don't, we can place more bombs. Now he is dead, so that's perfect. And lastly, we have the last guy. And then we should be able to bomb this guy. So there you go. Now we should look for the flashing block. As you can see, it's down here, so we want to get our way towards it and then explode it like I said. This will get you to the next sub level, and then eventually you'll be on the higher levels, but they will be harder, and they will give you high rewards though, which is great. Now I'm gonna play a second game, but with my super rare this time. And as you can see, I have explosions cause damage through blocks, which is amazing because you can break, like, you know, 6 blocks at a time from each explosion. Now how you can check, this bomb range has 3, so it goes around 3 tiles out, or 4 tiles out from including the bomb tile. So you should be careful because you might also die yourself from your own bomb. And I can move through blocks, so that's perfect, but I can't move through my own bomb. And so now I'm gonna try my super rare out. So what you can do is just click on whatever your super rare is, and there you go. Now I have my 1 key, and it seems like they're giving 0.98 rewards, so it's a little higher, just a minimal difference. But now we can try out with all these nice stats along with it, and you can see how I'm way faster than before. I can drop multiple bombs, like 3 bombs at a time if I wanted, and I can move through blocks too, so I can break multiple blocks at a time too. If you look there, as you can see, it goes through and hit the dinosaur guy. I can place a block here and that will kill that guy, just like that. I can place a bunch of bombs there so it kills the dinosaur eventually. Just block him off, just like that. Try to kill these guys. As you can see, it killed a bunch of them. That was very risky. I don't know why I did that. And these guys, they have more HP or health, if you'd like to say. Oh, so you want to be careful by your own bombs. Like just there, I almost died. And there you go. Now, oh, as you can see, I ran into my bomb there by accident, and I'm almost dead from that. So you want to be careful. I'm gonna bomb that last tile, and there you go. I'm done with the map. So that's basically it about the adventure mode, but you do get some pretty nice and beefy rewards with playing the adventure mode, so that's what I like about it. You can see the next is about 0.81 bcoin, so because I am running it with a common, so if you play also with like higher rarity, it is better for you. And yeah, that's basically it for Bombcrypto adventure mode. Hopefully you appreciate this video and learned something new. You can also join our Twitter and Discord server to be a part of our like-minded community. And don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.